baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom. It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, and I'm up here marinating in the castle, but I'm off inside the king's quarters. Just being goofy, man. Just being myself, man. How's everybody doing today? I'm hoping everybody's having a great day. Y'all know today is what? Monday? Man, my boys lost yesterday. That I don't know. We just gave that game up to the Saints. I guess it was a horrible game to me. Dak played like crap. That was the worst he's ever played. But, you know, it is what it is. And I think that's why I'm upset the most is because you played like trash. And I'm not understanding it, why you did it. I don't know. It is what it is. Y'all comment down below. Let me know, did y'all NFL team, did y'all win yesterday, man? So we'll see. Monday night game tonight, we'll see what happens. You know what I'm saying? So I love sports, so I'm just going to play it. But hey, man, before we continue on this, y'all make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the kingdom, man. Today, I got a UPS delivery a little while ago. Y'all know I love getting deliveries. I don't know about y'all, but I get excited when I get deliveries. I like it when UPS pulls up in front of my house. I like it when FedEx pulls up. Shoot, I almost like when the mailman pulls up, just depending on if I got a package or something that I order from eBay, because I'm always online shopping doing something. But greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Everybody that's just tuning in, just become part of the channel, welcome to the kingdom. To everybody that's already part of the kingdom, y'all know what it is. Your boy's in the building. So today I got a little bit of light work, nothing real too heavy, but a little bit of light work. And I just wanted to make sure that I shared that with y'all and give y'all my review on it. So, just a little light work. So y'all see, this is y'all see the box? Y'all know what that is? A little bit of light work. So I just wanted to go over this. As a matter of fact, I need my gold knife. Y'all know what it is. So let's bust this bad boy open. Go knock it on out. You know what I'm saying? So now, when I say light work, this is light work. This is nothing that I normally would rock, but you know what? I had to jump on top of this. Yeah, this knife is better. Make sure you kids do not play with knives. I always give that disclaimer. Y'all don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Do not play with knives. They're not to be played with. So, receipt. I save these for my daughter. She loves these things. I don't know why. She likes popping them. But that might be a good little thumbnail right there. But let's see if we can get these bad boys out of here. Finally. So, as y'all can see, matter of fact, I think I'm gonna do my thumbnail this one. Yeah, that's gonna be my thumbnail right there. But it's only getting these bad boys popped open. You already see they Converse. So just to let y'all know, man, and if you're just getting into my channel, I told you guys, you probably don't know this, but everyone that's been on my channel, y'all know I love J's. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. That's my number one thing, my number one brand. But at the same time, J's are not the only thing that I rock. And believe me, you guys have not seen all the shoes that I have, which means I'm telling you, like, I rock J's. Don't get me wrong. Love those first and foremost. I'm a Nikes, and when I say Nikes, I mean LeBrons. You got Kobe's. There's plenty of Air Max, Forces, Pumas, Adidas, Yeezys, Human Races, I mean, LeBron's, Huarache, like there's so much stuff that I wear that I like. And like I say, I cop what I like because I like it. It ain't about hype or anything like that. I wear what I want to wear because you know what? It's my damn money and I'm gonna wear it like I want to wear it. If you don't like it, that's cool. I'm not gonna judge you. You wear what you wear because you wear what you wear. For me, I like to do different flavors for different things, and I'm gonna wear what I want to wear, and I'm gonna cop what I want to cop. So, with that being said, these bad boys is coming out here. So, grabbing on these, man. I feel like this. I don't know why Converse always does it, but I feel like this is like I just went to Subway and got a pastrami sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Just went and got a Subway sandwich. So busting these bad boys out. This is what it is, man. The old Converse. But the thing about this is the leather one. I know with, you know, you have the plain Converse, the canvas ones, those are, you know, normal. But with this leather one, I like the leather ones better than the normal ones. I actually have another pair. I gotta figure out where they're at. I think they're put up in the stores, but I have a red pair that's laced in gray. And man, I'll tell you, those things are nice. Those are hot. I like those. But this is the black pair. It's a black leather pair, as you can see there. And this is, I guess you can say this type of material is a suede. It's like a real rough suede, if you can check that out. All right. And as you can see, that tumbled leather along there. Converse All Stars. These are like OGs, man. You know, everybody and their mama had some of these back in the Gap before Jordan Brand even came along. So everybody was rocking some Converse. But they did not have leather ones back then. So, like, my thing is when I can find some leather ones, I kind of jump on those because to me they're rare and I can appreciate them a lot more. And this tumbled leather on here is like really, really soft. You know what I'm saying? Of course, they had this folded over like that, but you know, you put that once you put that on, that's definitely gonna come out of there. But the tumbled leather on here is soft, man. It's a good quality leather. It's definitely not stiff, and the tongue is leather as well. So looking off inside the shoe, you have Converse with some other little silhouettes of some Converse shoes right there. So the only thing that I don't like about Converse, my only qualm, is because, you know, Converse doesn't have any arch support in their shoes. I like and it's crazy because you have the holes, you always have the holes right where the arch is, but they do not have arch support in the shoe. So what I do normally is I do get, I guess you can say like Dr. Scholl's or whatever the case may be, put those things off in there. I mean, because I need some arch support, and because I have a high arch and gotta have it. Going with the bottom of the sole, and went with a brown sole on this leather one. Pretty good pickup, and I greatly appreciate these, man. I always liked, I like how the Converse brand looks, especially with the old school ones. I actually have a couple of pair of Converse outside of these. Like I said, I have a red pair that's leather and it has gray. Where is it? I have no idea. I'm thinking it's in the storage. And there's a pair of white Converse that I have that are red and white, and those are basketball shoes. So those are one of the things that I balled in, you know what I'm saying, because I didn't want to ball in my Jordans. Contrary to belief, I know Jordan Brand, when he came out, everybody was using them for basketball, but I really wasn't too much using my J's for basketball. I was one of those ones where I used to walk to school, and if it was raining outside, I would have like the H-E-B bags wrapped around my shoes until I got inside the school, because I'm not walking in no mud and I wasn't letting my shoes get wet. I remember the first time I did that, people were actually joking on me and jonesing on me, man. It was crazy. It's okay. I own it. No judgment. It is what it is. But I had the remnants of a sneakerhead back then, man, and my Bordeaux 7s. Everybody's like, man, why don't you have bags around your shoes? Crazy. As a matter of fact, I actually did it last year at work. Yes, it was, I want to say either last year or it was way earlier this year. It was raining and I had my cap and gown 11s on at work. It started raining. I'm running around the office building looking for some HB bags, asking everybody if they have some bags because I was not walking outside in the rain to my car. Didn't have my umbrella, which was in my car. I wasn't even worried about getting wet. I just didn't want my shoes wet. And, you know, a couple people in the office was like, what are you doing? Like, you're going to tie shoe bags around. Why don't you just take them off? And I was like, they're still going to get wet. I don't want them wet. And I would have took them off. Don't worry, get me wrong. I don't care. I was just looking for a bag. I found some bags, and I tied them around my shoes, around my feet, got in the car, got in the truck, went home, and showed up at the house. And it's crazy because the kids there was like, why you got bags around your shoes? Y'all already know. So y'all comment down below. Let me know. Am I the only one that's ever done that or has done that? You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I mean, I don't care about the judgment. I don't care. So it is what it is. All right. But just wanted to give y'all something quick. I know I've been rambling on, shoot, what, about 12 minutes now about that. So y'all let me know, comment, do y'all even rock with the Converse? You know what I'm saying? Let me know your opinions on it. Comment down below. Like I say, subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate you. We're on our way to 1,000 for the end of the year. That is my goal for the end of the year. And hey, I appreciate y'all supporting your boy and helping me out. So all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them. The J's on the bottom.